Okay, this is a Southwest Industries-Trak 2-axis CNC bed mill, model TRM. Machine is new in 2001. It's serial number 011BE10900. It has a 10 by 50 table with 31 inches of X travel, 17 in Y and 23.5 Z, 5-inch quill travel. The quill travel is a 3rd axis digital readout on the control. It has a Kurt power drawbar. You have box ways. We're going to run it around for you. The machine also has a 40 taper spindle. You can see he's moving it, and it's got reading on the control. You can also jog. Just see on the control. Ball screw sounds nice and quiet. The Y-axis. Again, you see it on the control. Great. You also can move it manually. Again, you have ball screws and motors for the X and the Y. The Z is moving the quill. When he does, it reads. He also has a hand lever to crank the head up and down. You can see the head moving up right now and the head moving down. Great. He's running the spindle. This is the high range?
Low end of the high range.
Low end of the high range.
3,000.
Okay. 3,000 RPM. Spindle brake. Alright. We don't have air hooked up to it right now, so we can't run the power drawbar. Oh, these are some leveling pads. And I'm going to walk around for you, shoot the serial number. There you go. That's your control boxes back here. Machine's original paint. Thank you for watching the video.